Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing from one of my favorite places to unbox from, Rebag, and it's going to be a new to me LV bag, so please stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my channel is all about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be a new handbag, skincare, fragrances, your cup of coffee, whatever makes you feel a little bit better about yourself because you deserve it. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I do unboxings regularly. I also do reviews, follow-ups to products that I've purchased. Everything I buy is something I buy with my own money, of my own choosing. And hopefully, if you're like-minded, you'll enjoy what I provide. So please consider sharing and bringing other people along for the ride. I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers this year. That is a goal. I would really appreciate the support. So without further ado, let's get this bad boy over here. So I've gotten at least the my usual drama of unpackaging, doing the tape. That's what I was looking for. I got that underway ahead of time because that's all I ever do in these is struggle with the box cutter and the tape. So yeah, didn't want you to have to suffer through that. So this is from Rebag. If you don't know about Rebag, it's just one of the many resellers or consignment shops, online consignment shops. They're out there, like the Real, Fashion File, I think Tradesy is another one. Yugi's Closet. There are a lot out there. So this is one, I believe mostly based in the US. It might be elsewhere as well, but I've purchased them from them now. I think this is my fourth, possibly fifth item now, and I just really enjoyed the quality and the service, the items I get from them. I've just been really pleased with everything they've been offering. So this is my go-to of choice place. So it gets packaged rather basically, but still really nicely. So it comes in a dust bag. Let me put that right there. And then I don't believe there's anything, yeah, no file or the usual other stuff that people might get elsewhere. It just comes in a box. So they provide their dust bag. It's a very nice, high quality dust bag. Thick material, reminds me a lot of the material that Dior uses to package like their beauty items, their perfume items. So a nice like cottony twill, I guess that's twill kind of fabric. So I typically get a bigger bag than this, but this is not the biggest bag. So this is one of the smallest dust bags I've received from them so far. So this is the item that I got, and if you can tell there, it has a older style dust bag. And then Rebag gives you these little cards, the certificate of authenticity. The certificate of authenticity cards. They package them in plastic so that it comes to you nice and secure in case something happens to the outside box. So let me just grab that out real quick. So it lets me know it's certified by Rebag. It takes a picture of the date code if it has one, a picture of the item, all the descriptions of what it is, you know, a little QR code if you want a shortcut to that information, and keep that on hand for if you want to sell it. Just kind of a extra piece of security to let you know that it's authentic. All right, so any guesses onto what it is? It's kind of small. It's got handles. Just kidding. We won't wait too long. So I've been wanting this one for quite some time. I thought I was just going to go ahead and buy a new one at the boutique, but after really thinking about it and how much these can really lose their value, the damage they can undertake, it just didn't make sense to shell out the full price for it when you can get them rather reasonably. And I got this for I want to say it was around $700, and I thought that was a very reasonable price considering the age and condition of it. So I got myself a Speedy 25 in Damier Azure because I only have the pochette accessoire in this pattern. So the patina is what really sold me on this. The patina is beautiful, like beautiful. There's really, this is probably the darkest area right here. Yeah, the wear and everything, it is really nice. So I was really shocked to see. It's one of the few that I've ever seen the handles are not black, because that's the very first thing that you see damaged on these. The other thing that really worried me was the wear and tear, the color transfer. And this one's definitely still, it's not white, but it's not as bad as some of the others I've seen. So it's yellowed, but it's not too bad. So what is an issue is the keys are missing from the lock. So that's kind of a bummer, but from what I understand, you can get replacements relatively easily. So this is a 3-2-1 lock. So I will reach out and see if I can get a replacement key set. The zipper looks to be, oh, and it's real nice right there. And it says made in the USA. So that's good. Stuffed it really nicely. So take that out, and inside, I mean, there are a few marks, like there's a pen mark in here on this side and one at the very bottom, but overall it was very nicely kept. It has the sash pocket in there, date codes in here. So I was really excited to get one. And I think I mentioned a few videos, well, it's been a few months now, that I have a Speedy 30 in the mini Lynn, and I wasn't carrying it for the longest time because of the handles on it. And then I bought a really long strap from Etsy from, I believe it was Dress Up Your Purse, and it was been a game changer. So I've been carrying that, and all I've just kind of noticed is that that one's just a little bit too big for my needs right now. So I went ahead and thought that the 25, even though I am a bigger person, I think that this size will work okay considering what I'm carrying. I'm going to wrap the handles with bandeaus that I have. I have a few different styles, and try to protect and keep this patina where it is right now. And even though we live in Oregon, I'm hoping to keep the patina in the same condition. That's what I'm looking for. So that's my my goal at this point, and try to keep it from yellowing any further. So I'm going to keep it in its dust bag as much as possible, but I'm going to carry it here for the summer. So that is my newest Louis Vuitton purchase. So I'm really excited to add her to my collection. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. If you want some information about Rebag, I'm happy to pass along my experiences. I bought, let me think, I got my Santa from there, I got my Mahina from there, I got this from there. What was the other one I got? Now I'm blanking on the fourth one. I got an SLG from there, and I think I got my No Way from there. So this, I should look at my account. I got several things from there. So I'm considering right now selling a couple things to them And that is my next thing, and I'll do a video on that process when I choose to. There's that monogram and black leather strap that isn't quite long enough. I'm going to sell that. I have a matte gray bandolier strap that isn't working out for me that I'm going to sell back. I'm going to sell, I believe, one of my SLGs back to them. I'm considering selling the Mahina back to them because it's just too big. I want to get a smaller version of it, so I'm hoping I can swap into a smaller size. And what was the other thing I was considering? Oh, my bucket bag. So I'm going to get some quotes and videotape that process and see how it goes from start to finish and let you all know. So that might be, I'm hearing not so great stories about using Fashion File and RealReal, so I'm hoping just to see what the process is with Rebag as far as getting your items sold through them. But as far as purchasing, I've had great experiences and really like using them. So if you want any input or insight on that, please let me know. So take care. Thanks for joining me.